Hello everybody, how you doing today? Today we are going to mess around with our 2002 Kymco People 150 scooter. Those of you who are not aware of Kymco scooters, they are the greatest machines on the planet. Kymco makes the motors for the little Hondas. Kymco's been around since like 1934 and they make great machines. I picked this little gem up a while ago, a few years ago actually, off of the Craigslist for 200 bucks with a title, and I brought it home because the guy told me the motor was no good. And that lever right there was broke off of it. I put one of those levers on it, pulled the brake, and it activated the start switch, the little safety switch, and this thing fired up with bad gas in it and everything. And I rode around a block, brought it home, changed the oil on it, pulled the gas out of it, and that was, it had 20,000 and a little bit like 21,000 on the clock, and now it's got 44,125, and it still runs like the day it was made. But it's time for an oil change on it. So today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a Kymco People 150. Okay, so under the bike, on the left-hand side, there is that bolt right there. You pull that out, that is the engine oil plug. It is a 17 mil. All right, so we got our 17 millimeter. There comes our, yeah, that baby's ready for an oil change. All right, we pull that out with that drain. And while we're doing that, oil. The kind of oil I like to run is either Power 1 by Castrol 1040 4T full synthetic, or I will run Lucas 1040. I actually prefer the Lucas. They didn't have any of that today. This works fine. So that's it. It takes just under a quart. So once we're drained out, we'll put that in. Alright, so we got it drained out. We're just going to pull it this way a little bit, see if we get any more out. There's a little bit coming out there. And that's going to do it for me. I'm happy with what we got out of there. So now we're going to put the drain plug back in and fill it up with oil. Okay, so got our funnel, put her on in there. It takes about 900 milliliters, right in that general area. It's just a little bit less than a quart. So, you know, I kind of just fill mine all the way up, to be honest with you. I fill it till it won't take anymore. Yeah, 1,000 miles, 1,500 kilometers. That's when I change it. Or if I've been out riding with the guys and running at 65 miles an hour for a long time. This thing tops right at about 65, downhill, flat out. But it'll do 55 all day. Kymco, like I say, Kymcos are great. They're absolutely great machines. If you ever get a chance to buy one, pick it up. I've had a few of them, and I've done very well on it. You know, you buy them for 100, 200 bucks. The 125s, you know, I got about 900 for them. I had a Kymco i200, which is a fuel-injected model. That worked really good. I bought that off the original owner for $150. And it was before I had a truck, so I had to pay somebody 20 bucks to bring it home for me. But I put about, oops, that's full enough. I put about, I don't know, 350 bucks in that Kymco 200i. And that's what I traded for that pickup truck, even up, and I drove that truck home. So Kymcos hold their value. They're great. They get 100 miles to the gallon and all kinds of good things. I can't say enough good things about them. So our oil is full, and now we'll put our cap on and see if it works. Alright guys, so that concludes our video today on how to change the oil on a People 150 scooter by Kymco. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Tune in next time and I will show you how to change the rear oil in it or the final drive oil. Have a great day. Happy Father's Day to all them dads out there.